Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the controller not working or not detected in Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake on PC. Follow these solutions step by step until your controller starts working. Let's begin. Solution 1. Enable or disable Steam input. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake. Right-click the game and select Properties. On the left side, click on the Controller tab. Look for Override for Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake. Open the drop-down menu and select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and check if your controller works. If it still doesn't work, go back to the Override option and select Disable Steam Input, then launch the game again to test it. Solution 2. Open Steam. Click on Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings. Go to the Controller section. Locate External Gamepad Settings. Here, enable only the controller support that matches the controller you are using. For example, if you are using an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. You can also try disabling it if enabling it doesn't work. If you are using a PlayStation controller, find PlayStation controller support and set it to not enabled. If that doesn't work, select Enable in games without support. If you are using a Nintendo Switch controller or a generic controller, enable the appropriate support option. You can also install the Xbox Extended Features Support driver if you are using an Xbox controller. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad or controller. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Then right-click the same device again and select Enable Device. This will refresh the controller connection. Solution 4. Open Device Manager again. Locate your gamepad. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the correct gamepad driver and click Next. Wait for the driver to install. Once the installation is complete, launch the game and test your controller. After completing these steps, your controller should now work in Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.